This is our 2021 Cedar Creek Champagne 38 EBS. We have completed construction on our new place, so this unit is ready to go and is completely cleaned out. So I'm going to do a video to show you everything is in good working order and its features. Most of the windows have your screen shade and your daylight night shades. They're all in good working order. This is our table. This is the leaf that goes in. I have to use two hands to pull it out. There you go, right there. The other two chairs are underneath the bed. Our recliner sofas that do work. They go in and out. And they're in very good condition. More of our shades. I do have them drawn because, like I said, we've had this unit, we've cleaned it out, and I've had it off, unplugged. So I've got the AC and the fans running to cool it down since it's sitting out. It is sitting outside the barn now. This is crooked. Yeah. This is a sleeper sofa, which we have never used. Plastic is still on the mattress. Fireplace, heated electric fireplace. The TV blacked out, so it works. Radio, microwave, gas stove, 4-burner, oven, works great. I've loved cooking in it. Our dishwasher, little but functional. Our sink, pantry, wine cooler, refrigerator, all cleaned out, ready to go. And there's no ice because, like I said, I've had this unplugged. Our control panel, solar panel. Closet space. Excellent storage. I couldn't believe how much stuff this camper actually stored when we started moving everything out. Bathroom. We have the on-demand Truma hot water heater, which is fantastic. Toilet, shower. Everything's good in the shower. It's been a great unit. I actually hate to see it go, but we don't have a use for it any longer, unfortunately. The doors. Bedroom door. This one does not have like the screen shade. It just has the nighttime shade. TV works perfect. Dresser. More storage. Front window. Screen. Blackout. Shelves. The bed did come as a king. We did cut it down. As you can see, we like the additional space, and we have a Tempur-Pedic queen mattress that we love. So there's the chairs for the dining room. In here is more closet space. This is where your washer and dryer would go. Turn on the lights. There's your outlets, dryer vent hole, washer dryer hookups. There's your king Wi-Fi extender. I think that's it. Oops, I don't have one of the doors shut. So I'm going to go outside real quick and show you the outside. TV on the outside. Oh, well, I guess there it goes. We have never used it. Still got the plastic and everything on it. This is the awning. We've never, I can't say we've never had the awnings out. We have since we've had it outside of the barn. for the past 6 months, maybe only had them out twice. Back of the camper, it's got that nice plastic backing to it. Hot water, or that is actually the furnace. Your hookups. The pass-through storage is amazing how much you can have in here. Yes, we do. These work fantastic. We do not want little mice in our unit at all, ever. Storage, the inverter, more wires. We have the Air Ride trailer air to pull it. There's the front window. Here's our other awning out completely. You have the propane bottles on this side of the pass-through. You also have the shop vac out here. We've never used this. This is the griddle. There's the top of it. Never used it. And then there's the hose, the mini fridge, which I guess we do have some stuff in there. Yeah, I guess I forgot to clean that out. My bad. I think that's all. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll be more than happy to answer anything. But we are very motivated to sell. At this point, I think we're at 67.5. So yeah, it's a great unit.